Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can recall an email that you sent on Outlook. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. But you need to know one thing before recalling your email. You need to recall the email before the recipient opens the email. So if the recipient opens the email, you cannot recall the email, okay? So I'm going to show you how you can do it. So you're going to go onto the sent items on Outlook. For the sent items, you're going to double click on the email that you want to recall, okay? Then after that, you're going to go onto actions. And from actions, as you can see, there's something called recall this message. When I click on recall this message, as you can see, there are multiple options that you can do. You can go delete unread copies of this message only, or delete the unread copies and replace it with a new message. Okay, so let's say I forgot to put my signature, let's say I forgot to attach a file, I'm going to click on delete unread copies and replace it with a new message. And if I click OK, I can edit the message and let's say, let me add the signature for example, okay? Sorry, or a name, Jack. Okay, Jack. Okay, and after that, I'm going to click on send, and it's going to unsend the old copy, and then it's going to send the new copy. As you can see, you're trying to recall this message on Monday, October 23rd. Okay, so it's going to send you an email to tell you if the recall was successful or not. So yeah, guys, this is basically how you can recall a message. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.